Guys, it's your girl Bash. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm a YouTuber and a makeup artist based in Lagos, Nigeria. If you're a new subscriber, hi, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome. So for today's video, like the title, I'll be teaching you how to layer your product, your skincare product first before your foundation, your concealer, your contour, basically before any makeup routine, before any makeup process. I'll be teaching you how to layer your product step by step. Your skin prep first, your skin prep. So for the first thing you have to do before any makeup is to cleanse, and I'll be using the metics micellar water and my wipes. You can use a cotton pad, you can use whatever, but I use wipes and micellar water. There are so many micellar waters in the market. There are so many brands that have micellar water. You can just use any of them, can do the work actually. So I'll be using the metics. So once you open it up, it looks like this. You just open it up here and then you pour. Then you clean gently. Even if the person just came out of the shower, please cleanse. You'll be surprised what this can actually take out of your skin. You can be surprised. So make sure you get under the eyes, but please wipe gently. You know they drag them, just like small. So it's been a while. I am sorry. I've been MIA. I have vlogs actually that I can post, but for some reason, I don't know, I feel like whatever content that I put out there on my channel, I can, defend it with my full chest. I can be like, okay, that's my content. I'm putting out quality content. But the vlogs that I have this past few days, I haven't really edited them. I have vlogs from my trip, the last time that I traveled to my boyfriend's birthday. I still have the vlogs there, but for some reason I haven't really put everything together, and I am sorry. I'm sorry. My friends are texting me Bash, what's up? And I'm like, just a little bit, just be patient with me. Honestly, I don't have an excuse, literally no excuse. I have time. For the past few days, I've had time to film, I've had time to edit, and I have content to create. But for some reason, one thing with me is I don't force things. If I don't feel like it, I'm not going to do it. That's honestly the truth. But today I was watching Malme's vlog. I'm like, you know what, let me even film my own. I have a YouTube channel, let me even film. So yeah, I just got out of bed, showered, and I came up with this in 5 minutes. So after cleansing, the next thing that you would want to do is to apply your serum. I don't have any serum here, so I'll be going in straight to moisturizing. I'm using the Blossom Makeup Skincare Moist Essence Cream Moisturizer with hyaluronic acid. So this is what it looks like. Please guys, make sure you moisturize. Whatever it is that you want to do, you basically need a base. So your moisturizer is going to make your skin, is going to make it hydrating, it's basically going to prep it for the next step. Moisturizing is very, very important. So guys, another trick is this. For each step that you apply, you wait for 60 seconds, a minute, for it to sink into the skin, for it to dry before you move on to the next process, or the next step rather. So after cleansing my skin, I make sure that everything is dried. How do I know? It becomes a little bit tacky. Once it's tacky, you know that, okay, fine, it is ready. So I've put my moisturizer in my mixing tray, and I'm using the White Glam Beauty Face Expert brush in YF20. This is what it looks like to apply the moisturizer. Moisturizer is key. Please apply enough. So for primer, I have two primers with me here actually. I have the Blossom Makeup Get a Grip Hydro Grip Primer. This is what it looks like. And I have the Ponds, OG, the Ponds Lasting Oil Control Primer. This is what it looks like. But this is actually very good if you have oil skin. But I'll be using this one, the Hydro Grip Primer. My moisturizer is already dry, it's a little bit tacky, so I can go on and apply the primer now. So just a little. And if you're applying your primer, please avoid the under eyes, because the skin around the under eyes is very tender, it's very thin, and you've moisturized it, so you don't want your under eye to look patchy, you don't want it to look too dry. So you apply your primer only on your T-zones. Guys, I just found out I wasn't recording. For my lips, I'll be using the Nivea Active for Men with SPF 15. It's basically a lip balm, and I'll use it to prep my lips, because when I'm done with the makeup and I have to apply my lip gloss, my lipsticks, I need my lips moisturized. I don't need it to be too cakey or to be too patchy. So I'll be using this lip balm. So to set my face, I'll be using the Kiss Beauty Makeup Fix Green Tea. This is what it looks like. So I'll be using it to set my face. So this is what it looks like. It's looking moisturized, it's looking hydrated. You don't want to apply your makeup on a dry skin. Basically, it will bounce, honestly. It will create patches. It won't be giving, like, you know, this is 2023. So yeah, everything is moisturized. Now I can apply my foundation, I can apply my concealer, I can go ahead and bake, because the base is giving what it's supposed to give. So guys, this is the completed look. I hope you enjoyed it. You can see the makeup. Guys, skin prep is basically like the foundation of how good and how bad your makeup is going to turn out. If you get your skin prep right, I can promise you your makeup is going to sit on your skin like a second skin. If you've enjoyed this video, if you've learned a thing or two, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe and comment. You know, when you interact and comment on the comment section, it makes YouTube push out the video so that other people that might find it helpful or that might need it is going to, you know, find it. So guys, please comment, drop your comment. What did you learn? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.